What's going on, Hood Nation? I am NidgeDFX Optimus Prime versus we're gonna run a Thomas on y'all. Right? So will Thomas run a Thomas on Optimus? Find out anyways pretty soon. Watch the original the full screen. It's tired of blabbing yabbing because we do not shut up. Also, they're totally cool with the reactions, and cop some gear if you guys can. I'm gonna pull the screen up real quick just so we are able to make this happen. What do you think, man? Well, this is our first time watching a race battle. We did not check the other one.
Oh, to be all seriousness, I feel like this is going to be like a joke because Thomas the Tank, I mean, against Optimus Prime, who's known for pretty much surviving planetary
him stomping.
It's type of shit like that versus a cartoon train. So one would think that, okay, probably Thomas would win just because I feel like it's kind of one of those joke battles where the one who's least likely to win does win, you know what I mean?
Salt to salt.
That's what I'm expecting. Yeah, exactly.
That's exactly where the originals, obviously, shout outs to Animation Rewind, you know, our guy Jorge, man. He be making those type of fights. As you guys can see here, we don't skip the commercials though. No pressure, y'all. It's just a good example of put money in their pockets. Yeah, I'm with Ivan on this. It's definitely gonna be like a it seems like it's definitely a DBX with just heavily car battle focus, like Twisted Metal, for instance. But in this case, it's just, and they call it Death Races. And then when they say it so quick, it sounds bad. So I digress, because I know you heard that. I'm gonna play it again just so you can hear it. This episode of Death Race is brought to you. I'm just saying. Everybody, we decided here we're doing the first battle first. Time description will be displayed in front of you guys right now. If you want to jump into the latest death battle race, so you know we just want to do it because we can. And you know what? Right now, as you can see again, you know, no pressure, y'all. We don't skip the commercials. That's how our homies get paid. And also, you know, as you can see here, we also got the gear and everything. Get your feet wet. I don't know. Maybe I had an autoplay or something on my other tab or something. Something happened there. But you guys forgive me, right? No, thumbs down.
Yeah, it's just that guy talking. We didn't miss anything.
Gold in my hand. Oh, DoorDash. So I just wonder.
Yeah.
I just wonder if. I wonder if they're gonna dip DBX. If this does better, they're gonna dip it because this seems to get more views.
I like this. I mean, I like this. I like the concept of this. I really do.
I like them both.
I like them both.
All three of them. They need to keep them all.
I do too.
Yes, that's the old school. Well, 90s-ish.
Yeah, somewhat old schoolish.
Oh,
yeah, that's the one from the movie.
He's gonna be able to do hooks and like take corners like nobody else. Remember how he does that?
Yeah, that's my favorite Batman movie, the one with Danny DeVito in it. That's my favorite one.
I mean, look at that thing was fucking beast though. That thing like it goes up the wall and everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a fucking tank. That's not a Bat movie.
They can take rockets up the butt and everything.
Exactly.
Which is hilarious for a car with a rocket launcher and a jet engine.
Oh shit, that actually looks really good.
Oh my, 60mm cannon? Yo!
That car's gonna get blown back.
Definitely does not kill. This video game behemoth's only weakness is psychotic ice cream truck drivers, which we will not be seeing today. Right? At least is the classic. The OG, the Adam West.
There we go, the OG.
That thing is fucked.
This baby's got a bat race.
That shit must be worth a fortune, like the original.
Oh yeah.
That shit worth an arm and a leg if someone has it.
Oh yeah. That still exists. Someone has it, chilling somewhere.
That's worth at least several million.
Thanks, Ringmaster. Our racers are at their mark and ready to go. What are you wearing? It's called theming, Wiz. I'm a professional entertainer who cares about the craft. I even brought my own bat beer cans.
Yes!
From real bat.
Ew.
Ew.
Corona!
Bat.
Oh, he just got the coronavirus. It's a batshit crazy virus.
No rules concerning how they
he got the rabies, bitch. The fucking dumb rabies.
Yo, why would you drink that player? Nah, never mind. He's not that smart.
He's not.
We know.
No kidding.
He
that's
fucking
kind
eats.
of
He fucking
important.
eats
DoorDash is
squirrels
there
with his
to bring
fucking
food
mother
to
with
a
a
craven
giant
right
ass
to you.
5 o'clock shadow.
No sweat on your part.
No
They've
judging.
got over 300,000 partners across the U.S., Puerto Rico, Canada, Australia, like everywhere. And with current times, DoorDash is a superb way to support your local go-to restaurants. Or choose from national treasures like Chipotle or Cheesecake Factory. Seriously, there's so many.
I actually never ate at Cheesecake
And your
Factory, and
favorite
there's
hot spots
one
are
literally
still open
about
for
25
delivery.
minutes
I
from where I
Use
live.
DoorDash
That shit
to
really,
bring your
Cheesecake's
favorite
nasty
to your
to me.
front door.
Like,
Now with
fucking
contactless
cheese is
delivery
fucking
to
just. I mean,
you.
I'll eat one
Delicious.
bite, but after that, it's like there's something that, you know, like for instance, like I could sit there and eat fucking chicken wings all night, right? I could eat French fries a lot, like Alfredo pot. There's certain foods, but cheesecake is like one slice and that's it. If you could sit there and eat
What about
cheesecake,
chocolate?
again, one slice, that's it. I can't eat a lot.
I love cheesecake, man. It's like it's my favorite dessert. It's so fucking good.
Well,
That's
yeah,
only
it's a
in
good
Japan.
dessert. Like my favorite's Reese's cups.
Oh,
But I
love
won't
Reese's.
eat. I won't fucking eat a whole bag. That's just disgusting.
Oh yeah.
Yes!
Oh no. I even actually I wouldn't go that far. Oh, kids about that there. Oh shit. The OG's going first.
No, the 90s.
Oh, that's the 90s guy. It's hard to
Ah!
tell.
Looks like a dung.
That's right.
Looks like a dog.
Mess with it.
It's penis shaped. Makes it aerodynamic when it drives. Oh! Hold that shit. Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Yes! The classic.
OG.
It looks like they might have a
Ah!
Look at the models. Looks like a fucking bear.
Holy rusted crappy doo-doo Batman. Oh! Look at him go. He's driving backwards. What's him? Did you hear that shit he said? Ah! Go back.
Go back.
Crossfire! You get caught up in
Who was that? What car? What died just now? Which one?
You really shouldn't take the
the Dark Knight.
Oh, the
It's got
back-
grappling hooks though. Oh,
Yeah. Oh no, I was about to say.
oh!
Oh, it's the bike. I forgot.
He didn't give up yet.
Oh shit, that's a good model.
moving with.
Shit.
The most grounded Batman of them all might actually have
Oh, toasty!
Never mind.
You should have
Yeah,
not
that's
got.
fucked up.
Yeah.
Good attempt though.
Oh, what traffic jam?
Gotham City.
Oh, I think this is the car one. This is the. I think which one is it?
Traffic.
Traffic.
Are those civilians on the track?
I think this is the 90s one. It's gonna get ahead of this one.
Wiz, these are Batmen. There's no way they'd kill.
Oh!
God, why did I let you handle obstacle acquisition?
Whatever that means, I did it good.
That's fucked up.
They don't give a fuck. Oh!
Copycat
I think
Batman. These dumb bastards have a death wish.
Then you better into their prayers, old chum.
Smack! Waiting for it. Oh my!
Oh my god.
Robin.
I
Oh! Look at the loss detected! Oh!
I know!
That ain't gonna do shit to him, though. That thing was surviving.
Goddamn.
Wheels left. We're getting
Oh, it did last!
How did it survive?
No way. Oh shit, flashbang! Oh! Did he make it?
seeing this, Wiz.
He made it!
I know the Batmobiles can do a lot of stuff, but I didn't know that one could fly.
They made it! That's the finish line. They made it!
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And the winner is, actually, who does win? Is this to the death or is it an actual race?
Both.
Who came up with the rules for this?
I vote for the one that freaking flew.
Yeah.
Good enough for me.
Classic.
The winner is
Classic.
Adam Westmobile.
The classic.
Wiz, taking a picture with my mind. Click.
Dozens
Ew.
of people are injured and dead.
I know it's a real shame, Wiz, but I'm sure we can pump those numbers up for next time.
Saw it first here, folks. Come back next week.
Classic.
That was good.
Hey, whatever.
The models were really good.
They did pretty damn good there.
Yeah.
See right here, Optimus Prime versus Thomas the Tank. But see there,
Yeah.
they show him right there and right there, like, and look at the barely in the background there.
What you're looking at
Harry Potter machine. They gotta come up with better names though with that though. Personally, like,
Yeah.
just call it. I don't know. I get it. They're limited, but you.
Four-way death
The-
race and
the-
shit like that. I
The
don't know.
names that don't even make it are clearly never going to win the race.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta like at least keep it. I just don't want to call it just episode 3. You could do that and just put the thumbnail and everyone can go, oh.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Like that make a lot more sense to be like, hey, it's 4 racers and not just what I initially thought were 2. All right, perfect.
It's not, yeah. It's one of those things, and you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
Yeah. Oh, they finally give him a different haircut this time. That's what's up.
Aha. Oh, so they race and battle.
Yeah.
So it's like a mix between Wipeout and Twisted Metal.
Yeah. So like whoever kills the other, whoever makes it to the finish line. That's
this guy's lost his damn mind.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah. Absent, damn right, baby. Get your feet wet.
Yeah, right. I was gonna say if they do a Dead Twisted Metal race in this, it has to be 3D because this is the pinnacle of it.
Yeah.
I guess though.
Oh, Spectre and all of them, and
oh yeah.
What the hell is the ice cream man's name? Everyone knows Sweet Tooth.
Sweet Tooth.
And they got him, Mr. Slam. They got so many old school. Like my favorite was the hearse, the purple Mr. Grimm, I think his name was. No, Mr. Grimm was the bike rider. I've forgotten. You know, it's been so long.
That's fine.
That car though is so beautiful. Yes.
And the body of a giant robot. Despite being from an alien planet, he's 100% American. You can tell from the red, white, and blue and the brutal murder anime pretty
Oh.
If he ever did that, he'd end it all right there. Even if it's only a video game. This boy, proper Harry Potter jalopy. Look like your box standard Ford Anglia 105E.
Oh, that's the Harry Potter car.
They put them in the race too?
Yeah.
We already know who's gonna lose.
Yeah.
They didn't even mention.
Well, he's magic. You can just fucking fly away from everybody.
Jokes on them. One of them doesn't even have parents.
Oh shit.
Our boy Thomas.
How can he drive without a? Oh shit.
Nothing sinister hides behind those moon-shaped, dopey, soul-piercing eyes.
That's exactly what I was
I'm not gonna lie, I think I had at least 1 or 2 nightmares of Thomas. Like
me too.
When I was a kid, those big ass eyes and everything. It's like, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, it's like the goddamn music and everything's going. My mom's like, just go to bed, and all of a sudden out of the closet, like, and it's like, it was like there was no goddamn tracks. The damn thing just knew how to tumble back and forth. It was like it had the beat and everything down, man. I don't know, man. It was just it was effed up, man.
Yeah, that's funny as fuck.
Looking back at it, yeah. Lightning McQueen, what?
Ah, what's up,
Ka-chow, bitch. Damn.
Just like before, whoever
It's
makes
coming
it
down.
first wins, but we don't care how they get there. No civilians on the track this time, Boomstick?
Not this time, Wiz.
Oh, spoiler alert.
Want another blood?
Yeah.
Maybe I should just go climb down there myself.
I'm not
No,
stopping you.
you'll get hit.
We don't need
Yeah.
because the cars
You don't need a new
themselves
fucking
are
robot
alive.
arm.
Only in the face of certain death can one truly grapple with the beauty of
This is awesome.
mortality. Man,
Yeah.
I need to stop drinking absinthe before these shows.
Damn it, him too?
Fucking shoulder grip.
Yeah.
Same.
Absint's
Do you know
awesome,
what that
Murray.
word means, or are you
Yeah,
just
it is.
repeating things you hear?
Good chow?
The race is about to begin, but first,
Let's join our race.
That's interesting. They didn't even put the other 2 in there, so that makes me feel like they're just gonna lose no matter what.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
I kind of wish they wouldn't do that way. They could just show the
Oh wait, who got
thumbnail.
left? I was about to say, who got left behind?
Thomas takes an early lead. Impressive, considering there aren't any train tracks.
Yeah,
Oh, you know,
I was about to say, like, how is he gonna?
it's gonna be a problem.
yeah. Oh, he's done already. Maybe it's a shortcut like Rainbow Race.
Maybe. I didn't think about that.
Oh,
Goes in first.
That is some bullshit, though, to be honest. I'm like,
he
really?
flew around it.
She said.
And our friends from across the pond.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying. Just fucking fly to the finish line. Don't even bother racing the track.
right?
They say I don't care how you win. Just like I just like go 2 inches to the left. Boom, I won.
Oh, ka-chow, bitches.
Oh,
Wait, Thomas had to have wall hacked because remember his name was on the thumb art.
yeah, it is.
Bold strategy, taking up the ultimate robo
The loop. He could just cheat. Watch. Yep.
Yeah, he does exactly.
a car that flies kind of defeats the point of all this.
Yep.
Exactly.
Here we go. Oh, ka-chow, bitches. Well, can he do it, though?
Where's
Oh, nice! Teleport hack.
That's what's up.
Oh, shit, noob tube. Dodge, Blair, dodge! Do a barrel roll.
Wow, why you shoot? Oh. Harry's a sitting duck. Oh shit, the Whopping Willow.
Oh, no, it's a molesting what? Cachillo?
Whopping Willow.
Oh.
It's like a living tree.
Yeah, well, that thing. Ow, it's trying to touch that. Oh. Don't fall for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just chop that bitch in half. Yes!
It's a trap.
Oh shit.
Those vile Decepticons.
You about to get wand?
Clearly has nothing to do with Decepticons, but I respect his gumption.
So, out of context, it almost sounds sort of robo-racist.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
He ain't have none of that. There he is, resurrected.
Yeah, exactly. What is
Oh,
fire?
what the hell?
You just nerf Harry?
They won't get to see their parents.
None of them will.
Fucked up.
That is harsh. This motherfucker's gonna walk to this finish line? How is he winning this race? He's totally lost. He's behind Miles, you know?
Exactly.
What the?
Oh,
How did he catch up to him?
he just jumped on his ass.
I know. Oh.
Oh.
And boom.
You got the fucking 2-force going on. Oh.
How the hell is Ka-chow ain't gonna win this now?
Oh shit.
He's gonna blow up right on him.
Yeah, there's gonna be some cheeky shit.
Oh.
The winner is my boy, Optimus Prime!
I disagree.
Alright.
Based on the animation, I disagree.
Alright, that's fine.
Optimus Prime's victory may be clear, but he won through sheer luck and brutality. By his own standards, he cheated and must now commit auto.
Everyone cheated.
Oh
in
no,
this fucking race.
Seppuku! It's
Yeah, 'cause
done.
they mentioned that shit in the death battle where if he doesn't do it fairly, he kills himself. That was in the death battle. I remember that.
What was there to gain from all this?
So it's a draw?
I don't know.
Well, technically he won, so
Mm.
Come back next time for another.
Who's next?
that shit was entertaining. I liked it. Oh wait,
Next
go
Monday.
back to the title screen.
Title screen, why?
No, never mind. I thought because I saw logos, I thought.
I think right there. Look at the shadows. I think that's the hint.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't recognize those cars. No, but that shit was fun. I actually really enjoyed that.
Yeah, but here's the thing. I enjoy it. It's entertainment. But how the hell did he even catch up? Like, he totally dismorphed himself, hacked a tree down. That took at least 5-10 seconds. I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt that he did it really quick. Even so, if a car's going 60 miles per hour, you ain't going to catch it. You ain't just going to sit on Thomas's face and hack. Like, what the? Like, how did he catch? Would he just fucking Hulk leap? Like, oh, you know
That's
what I mean?
I'm thinking too. Yeah, he just fucking Hulk leap on my head.
He had to have Hulk leap because Hulk could jump like 1 to 3 miles every leap a second. So
yeah, exactly.
He straight up just Hulk leaped it. That's fine, but
not that 2-force shit where fucking Thomas would take his fucking breathing fire and flying shit.
Yeah, he just comes out of nowhere like shit and fire out of like. That was fun though. It was fun. Like,
that was a lot of fun.
That's the whole point. I personally wish Thomas would have won by like the Optimus when he had to kiss a Robo Senpuku. So I mean, it was fun. It was fun, man. It was fun.
As soon as you said that, it reminded me of when they did that death battle with him and Gundam. As he said, like if he felt like he cheated, he would actually kill himself. So
yeah,
that's a nice homage to that. That was actually kind of cool.
Yeah. So they did it right. But still, it was just WTF. Anyways, we definitely need to get the Death Battle card game live stream for y'all to watch us do that thing. We really need to stop us dragging our feet. We'll figure it out if it's going to be on the Take Two channel or if it's going to be on the Reaction Squad podcast or maybe on my channel. But either way, if you guys want to know how to figure that out, make sure you subscribe to all of them. Your chance to do so is going to be like right here, or maybe it's way on that other side, along with some other things, get your feet wet. But if we ain't a cup of tea, y'all go find it. It's out there.
You better believe it. I've been my boy Nidge, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
We're out.
Peace, guys. Stay awesome.